A strong protest was seen in Gwalior on Friday after Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's pictures was burned and objectionable slogans were raised. Members of Bhim Army, Azad Samaj Party and other Dalit organizations staged a sit-in protest at the collectorate for nearly 2.5 hours. Protesters said the FIR registered by police was not enough and demanded strict action. They asked for the National Security Act to be imposed on the main accused advocate Anil Mishra. Police said an FIR has been registered against Anil Mishra and 6 others at the Cyber Cell police station. The case has created tension and heavy police force was deployed. The issue of death due to contaminated water in Indore has reached the High Court. The state government informed the court that only 4 deaths occurred due to polluted water, while families and hospitals have reported 15 deaths. The matter is under hearing and the next hearing will be on January 6th. Earlier on January 1st, the High Court has asked the government to submit a status report. After 5 days, the government accepted only 4 deaths. Meanwhile, the Mohan Yadav government issued show cause notice to the municipal commissioner and additional commissioner. One officer has been transferred and responsibilities of senior engineers have been taken back. Rahul Gandhi blamed the double-engine government. Former CM Uma Bharti said human life is priceless and repentance is needed. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav on Friday inaugurated and laid foundation stone for development works in Kachraud of Ujjain district. Project worth Rs 78.61 crore were announced, including inauguration of 16 works costing Rs 48.51 crore and foundation laying of 23 works worth Rs 30.1 crore. The major announcement included a Sandipani school and a new agricultural produce market. The Chief Minister said this project will give a new direction to the development of Kachraud. He added that these works will improve education, agriculture facilities and employment opportunities for local people and will strengthen the future of the region. RSS Chief Dr. Mohan Bhagwat is on a 2-day visit to Bhopal as a part of the organization's centenary year outreach program. During a youth interaction at Kushabhau Thackeray Auditorium, he addressed young people from different fields. In his speech, Mohan Bhagwat said the world listened more to power than to truth. He stressed the importance of inner strength, discipline and unity among youth. He answered questions during a curiosity and solution session and said society needs a strong character along with knowledge. His statement has sparked discussion among political and social circles across the state. A shocking incident was reported from Raja Ramkapura village in Morena district. A Dalit family was attacked by influential villagers after they stopped cattle from grazing in their field. According to the victim, Maharaj Jadhav, the accused, fired gunshot and later assaulted the family with sticks. The dispute started when the family objected to cattle grazing and lifting of bajra crop remains. Angry attackers allegedly came to the victim's house, opened fire and threatened them. The incident has created fear in the village. Police have started investigation and assured strict action against the accused. A video from a government middle school in Datia district has gone viral on social media. The video shows women dancers performing inside the school premises during New Year celebrations. People present at the event were also seen throwing money at the dancers. The incident took place in Parasari village. After the video surfaced, the education department and district administration were shocked. Serious questions are being raised about how such an event was allowed inside a government school. Officials have started an inquiry and action is expected against those responsible for misusing the school premises. Police teams from 6 states are camping in Bhopal to search for notorious criminal Raju Irani, the head of Irani Dera Aman Colony, and his gang members. Raju Irani and 5 associates are absconding. Bhopal police are also collecting data about people in other states who provide shelter to the gang. During interrogation, arrested gang members revealed details about their escape routes and support network. The gang members often flee to cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi and Chhattisgarh after crimes. Relatives from other states also hide in Aman Colony. Police operations are continuing. Cold conditions have slightly eased in Madhya Pradesh, but fog and cold winds continue to affect daily life. Panchmani recorded the lowest temperature in the state at 5.4 degrees Celsius. Due to dense fog on Friday morning, many trains heading towards Bhopal, Indore, Ujjain and Gwalior were delayed by up to 2 hours. Trains like Malwa Express, Shatabdi and Sachkhand were affected due to fog coming from Delhi side. Weather officials said foggy condition may continue for the next few days and people should remain cautious while traveling.